Graphics, and today I'll be teaching you how to design another PO flyer using INSHOT app. So I'll click on my INSHOT app. So once you click on your INSHOT app, this is what you get, and then I'll click on photo, this one at the middle. So after clicking on photo, I'll click on new. So once I click on new, I'll click on this first one that has blank, this one here. So once I click on that blank, it will process and take me to my page. Now this is the page. Now the first thing I need to do is to set the size of the banner or whatsoever I want to design. So I'll click on canvas. Once I click on canvas, okay, I will go with this 3:2, which is 2 by 3. So this size now is 2 by 3 when you want to print it. Now I will set, okay, now I will leave the background color as white as usual. This is POS flyer. So after that, okay, let me look for my shape tool. I'll click on my text. I want to get a rectangle now. So once I click on my text, I'll click on this 1, 2, 3 down here, then click on this dash line. Click on my 1, 2, 3. Click on this dash line that is in between this dollar sign and this and sign. So I'll click on it. Now it is not showing because the color is white, so I'll click on this color platelet, and then I'll scroll through. I'll give it this purple color here. Then I'll click on this capital letter A, small letter A, which means font. Then I will give it blackout 2 a.m. Can you see blackout 2 a.m? Okay, then I will click on done. So I'll click on this shape. I will put my hand on it and draw it up. Then this angle that is down under this pencil that you're seeing on top, I'll use it to drag it. Then I'll move it to the left. I'll still drag it again, and then move it to the left again and drag it. Now I'll move it to the center and then bring it down. Now this is what we've got. So I'll leave it here. Now I'll click on text again, and I'll go back to my 1, 2, 3 and click on this dash. Go back again and click on the dash, click on dash, click on dash. I will click on it and click on it and click on it. Yes. So I will come back to this color platelet. I will give it red. Okay. I will click on border. I don't need border, so I'll click on that slash. So I'll go back to this text again, and then I will click on done. Now I will touch the red this thing. Now take it up towards the left. Then I'll use this angle to reduce it. You can see I'm reducing it. So I'll drag it to the middle. So I'll click on this pencil here at the top. I'll click on edit. I'll go back to my 1, 2, 3. Then I will increase the slash. I will increase the dash. I'm increasing the dash now. Then I'll click on done. So I will move it. I'll click on the this thing, red, this thing. Then I'll bring it down like this, up a little. So I'll click on this white space. That is it. Now I'll come to this text here. Now I'll write POS. I'll come to this capital letter A, small letter A, and then click on robots regular. Okay, so I will click on this color platelet. Then I'll give it border. Click on border. Then go back to that blue purple color. I'll click on this purple color. Then I'll reduce it to, let's say 30. Done. Now I'll click on it. Now remember, in this app, anything you write will always appear at the middle. So I'll bring it here. I will still add it up and bring it up here. Now I'll click on this. I'll touch this purple square. I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down. I'll bring it down. Now this red one, I will take it up like this. Then this purple, I will still shift it up a little like this. Then I'll click on this red. I will bring it down here. Now this POS, I will still add it up. Then I'll bring it down like this. I'll draw it to the left. I'll add a little and then bring it here. Okay, now I'll now click on this text and then I'll write Gen Z Gen Z Maku Enterprise. Some can use venture, some can use limited. It all depends. I think Kuta. So it all depends on the name that you use. So I'll click on this down, then I'll bring it up and I'll reduce it. Then I'll bring it up. I'll click on this pencil here and I'll edit it. Then I will come here to my text. I'll bring this enterprise down like this. Then I'll come to this dash line. Then you see this dash line that is down before this B here. I'll click on it. You can see that the dot is at the middle, meaning it is centralized. Then I'll click on done. So this now I'll bring it here. Okay. I'll bring it to the middle. So this is the owner of the flyer. Gezi Marco Enterprise, but I'll click on edit again. I will edit it and then I'll come to this color platelet. I'll click on this border. I'll reduce the border. Let's just say, let's give the border just like 10. I'll come to this my font. I want to change the right up. Okay, I think I'll go with this. So this is Gezi Marco Enterprise. That is the owner of the POS. That is the name. So I'll click on this white space. Yes, that white space now is your what? Is your background. So now I will now come to text again and then I'll write cash. I'll put this dot first. Then I'll write cash transfer. I'll enter dot first and then cash withdrawal. Then I'll click on my dot again. I'll write cash deposits. Cash deposits. Then I'll come here, I'll click on my dot, then I'll write bill payment. I'll come here and write airtime and data. Now why the write up is like this is because it is centralized. So you come to this dash. Now this dash down here before this B that is there, you still click on it. Now it means the write up should move to the left, and if you click on it again, it's come to the to the left. So you can see it's properly arranged now. So I'll click on this color platelet. I'll give it white color. Border. I'll click on border. I don't need border. You will not see it because it's white color. So I'll click on done. Now here is my write up. So I will reduce it. I'll bring it here. So I will reduce it a little. I'll still reduce the write up again a little. So I'll click on this white space here. We are getting close. Now I'll come to this sticker here. I'll click on this thing. So normally the picture that I want to use, I've already used it before. That is the POS machine I want to use. I've already used it before. So I don't have to go and start searching. Okay, so as I've told you, any picture you use for your design, it will automatically save inside your sticker. So I'll just click on this picture. This is the picture that I want to use. This is the machine. So but for you that you have not used it before, it's advisable that you just go back and search for it, it can be there. Okay, so again I'll be using this money icon, this picture of money here. So I'll click on done. Now this picture, I'll bring it up here. The picture of this money, I'll bring it up here. So I'll touch this machine and I'll reduce it. Okay, I will still reduce it. Why? In any POS flyer, you must, in fact it is must, you have to use money and this POS machine. Why? Because there are many people that cannot read. So what helps them is the picture. You get, there are illiterate, but once they see pictures, they understand that okay, this is POS, even if they can't read. So it's very, very important. I'll move it down a little. And I think I will still reduce it small. So I'll move it up a little. So I'll click on this machine, I'll drag it here, and I'll also reduce it and bring it here. I'll add it a little and bring it here. So now this cash transfer and whatsoever, I will still reduce it a little. So I will take it up, and then this machine, I'll move it here. This one, I will move it down a little here. Because one thing with design is you don't just design. Oh. As you are designing, you are analyzing in your heart. Is it okay? You must make sure your arrangement is well. Don't just say it's POS now, put the machine. No, you will be thinking in your heart first. Is it okay? You yourself, once you are designing and it is okay, you yourself, you should be able to know. You don't need anyone to tell you that no, this design is bad. No. So now, that is why designers, what, they deals with creativity. Yes, so you click on this white background, you make sure everything is set, everything is okay. So I will now click on this my sticker and get this my bank's picture with this um networks. Why? Because the person sells data. That is why these things are needed. Okay. Yes, because the person sells data. So I will reduce it and bring it down here. Then this one too, I will reduce it. I'll reduce it and bring it here too, down a little. I'll still reduce it. Why? Because this one, they are pictures of banks. So that when the person is coming, you know that yes, they also do this with some banks here. Click on the white space, add it up small. So the pictures of these banks and this, what is it called, and this thing is very, very important, these networks. So as I've told you, pictures are so what, they are powerful. They are powerful way of communicating to people that don't know how to read nor write. So I'll still shift it here. This one, I'll reduce it a little. I'll reduce it a little, and then I'll bring it down. So I will still shift it here. Go back. You click on this redo. Yeah, so let's leave it this way. Then I will now come to this place and click on text. For more inquiries, call. So the number of the person. So you not see it because it's in white color. So I'll click on this color platelet. I'll come to my label and I'll give it white. Okay, so I'll choose this touch square. Then I'll come to this text and I will go for my purple. I'll give it purple color. I think this is the color here. So I'll click on done. So I'll reduce it here. So I'll still reduce it a little. So I'll bring it down. I'll click on this white space here. So I'll click on it and still add a little. I'll add it up. I'll click on this white space. So I still need to bring it down. So I'll still add a little. I'll click on it and add it up a little. Click on this arrow to go back. So click on it, add a little, add it up a little. Now reduce it. So I'll bring it down. Yeah. So I'll drag it to the left a little and then up. And then up. Then I'll click on this. This one I'll still take it up. So you hand on it and keep dragging it down. You must have to acquire your desired results. Okay, so I'll click on it again. I'll still shift it to the left. So I'll click on this banks of a thing and I'll bring it down. I want it to be with the same line with this. So I'll click on this again and then I will bring it down. I'll click on this white space. Okay, so I'll click on this again. I'll move it up a little. I'll click on this white space. I'll still move it up. Click on this arrow to go back. Click on this other one to reduce. So I'll bring it down with carefulness. In design, you just have to be patient, okay? Then click on it here. So graphic designers do a lot, but some don't actually understand. Hey. So I have to make sure it's set with these other ones. This one, I will shift it small. I'll shift it small. and then this one is too down, so I'll move it up a little. It's still down, so this one can move up a little too. Then this one will still move up a little. This one yeah. Make sure your hand is on top of it and then you move it up. Then these names, okay, I'll click on this white space. Now the main thing is this one. Now we must make sure it's is online with this ones. We are done with the design, it's just the arrangement. So it's not necessary that you must do as I do. After watching all these tutorials, make sure you also bring out your own creativity, depending on how you arrange it, and it will work out for you. uh, okay. Finally, I think you are here. So this is all. Well, let me try something. Let's click on this picture this morning and click on copy. Now let's use this angle. Take your hand towards up and turn it this way, and then let's bring it here. Let me see how it's going to look. Then click on this POS machine. Okay, so now click on this same money, shift it up. Let's see. Okay, click on this POS machine. Okay, I think it's a little bit okay. So but this one we need to move it up a little so that the hand will not be seen. Click on this POS machine. Okay, add it up a little. Good. So now we are done with the design of our POS flyer. So you click on export, as simple as it is. Click on this export. Once you click on export, it's going to save your flyer, or is it banner, I'll call it, anything, your design in your INSHOT app. So when you just in INSHOT folder, so you want to search for it, you just go back to your photos, check the folders, you see INSHOT, and then you click, you're going to see your design there. You're done. So please watch this design and also redesign it your own. Sit down, watch it very well, you're going to get it, and then design it. Now it is saved. So you go back here to this arrow, because don't always forget that. So you still click on this arrow here, then you click on draft. Okay, while you are clicking on draft is for it to save. Now come, when you click on this photo now again, it's always save with the dates of that day, and the dates of today is 16 August 2025. So the first, this white square that is here is your work. So you click on these three dots and you click on rename, so that you will not forget when you come to look for your work, you will not start thinking anyhow. So I'll give it, let me say POS2, because I have another flyer there. So I'll click on OK. Now if I want to search for it, I don't have to walk up and down to look for it. Look at this 31 drafts here. If you click on it, these are the works that I've done so far. So if you are looking for any work now, maybe you want to edit something, you see some of them I saved them with names, while some I couldn't save with names, but they are saved with the dates. So now that POS2 that I saved, it is the first one here. So if I click on it, it will automatically open and take me to my work. you can see. So in case if the person say no, there is a change in a phone number, or no, the name, they change in a name, you just come back and click on whatever you want to change, you change it and then export again. That is it. So redesign it and save and enjoy.